we have a cellular / honeycomb blind with the cord loop operating system. First thing you want to do is take off your tensioning device if it's attached to your wall. Next step is to identify where the brackets are. In this case, they're right here and right here. There's no tools required for this. It's just about how you apply force. We're going to put our fingers right where the brackets are, and we're going to push in and tilt down. And that will release the shade on the front. The back side still has little hooks on it, so you have to lift up out over the hook there. There may be a couple different versions of this, but it's based all on that push and lower.